Good morning, everyone. This is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and this morning I will be working on spaghetti and meatballs. I made my meatballs last night and I froze them. I prefer to freeze for a number of reasons. I have canned meatballs in the past in tomato sauce and on their own. And the reason I prefer to freeze them is that they're pretty much a staple in this house, and once you put them in a jar, you're limited to that quantity. And to try and get the right quantity in the jar for our meals is a little difficult. So normally if it's just my husband and I, actually lately he's been wanting 10 meatballs for a meal. Yes, if we have company over, I just pull out another serving of meatballs, and so what I do is I make them up, I freeze them, and then I vacuum seal, and that way I can pull out whatever quantity I want for that meal. And as I say, meatballs, spaghetti, pasta are a staple in this house, so whenever we don't know what to cook or can't be bothered cooking, and we can whip up a spaghetti or pasta and meatball dish in half an hour. I mean, it's pretty standard here. We have the tomatoes already. I add my spices. I fry up some meatballs with some onions, add the spices, add the tomato sauce, let it simmer for a little while, and put the pasta on, and we have a meal in half an hour. So today I am going to make another batch of probably spaghetti this time, and some linguine. I'm going to do probably a double batch, so I'll do some of each, and that way there'll be both types of pasta available, the homemade variety available for us at any time we want. Okay, as you can see, my meatballs are pretty much frozen solid on this. I'll take them up from this. I don't want to injure myself here. Oh, there we go. That's the way to do it. And I'll probably vacuum seal these in 2 batches so that we can take out whatever we want and reseal what is left over. Okay, that one wasn't too bad. I hope this one is the same, but we'll see what happens here. Oh yes, there we go. And you want these good and solid frozen before you vacuum seal, otherwise you won't have meatballs, you'll have a meatloaf, which is, hopefully that should do it. Okay. And I like to seal these flat so that I can sit one on top of the other, take up less space that way. once again, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and I've just completed another pasta making day. So, along with the meatballs, I now have homemade pasta, homemade meatballs, homemade tomato sauce, and we can have homemade pasta and meatballs anytime we want. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.